BullX has quickly become the biggest trading bot platform across all chains. We're talking Solana, Ethereum, Base, Blast, etc. In the last month, they've done over $400 million in trading volume, generating almost $4 million in fees, where they'll be giving away over 3 million of that to the community because they are actually giving away 80% of all the profit that they make. And they have also announced their BullX token that they'll be doing a huge airdrop for starting July 15th. So today we're talking about all the details we know so far about this airdrop, what my personal predictions are for this BullX token, as well as how you can maximize your own allocation for this airdrop. So first up, if you don't know what BullX is, it's basically just a really cool trading platform that you can use to trade mainly meme coins. It makes it super quick and easy to trade meme coins. They have Pump Vision dashboard, which lets you easily scan through all the recently created tokens on Pump Fun. It's just a very well organized trading platform, which is the reason they've become so popular so quickly. It's just the best trading platform out there. They are currently still in early access beta, meaning you do need a code to get access to the bot. There's still tens of thousands of people waiting to get access to it, but you can get instant access with my code down below in the description. And with that code, you do also get a 5x airdrop multiplier until July 15th. So for another week, you get 5x airdrop multiplier, which obviously will give you a huge boost for this BullX airdrop, and you also get 10% less fees. So the best way to start farming this airdrop is obviously to get that 5x airdrop multiplier by using one of the early access codes. And obviously, if you get any value from this video, would appreciate it if you used mine down below. And the early access points will be converted to BullX tokens on July 15th, as I just said. So you have another week to get 5x airdrop multipliers, and you get airdrop points basically just based on the volume you trade for. So the more volume that you trade with on their platform, the more points you will earn. And what they've said so far is that on July 15th, stage 1 of their airdrop protocol will begin, because BullX airdrop protocol follows a unique 3-stage system, fully transparent, trackable, and eliminates speculation. And that has been one of the main issues with a lot of these recent airdrops that have just tanked all the way to zero recently, because people have just speculated way too much about price action and they've just gotten very disappointed. So hopefully BullX doesn't make the same mistake, and I really don't think they will do that, because so far they've been very transparent and they've given so much back to the community. They've given away so much money and they've rewarded creators as well as users very, very highly so far. So July 15th will mark the end of the first stage, along with the launch of the BullX Airdrop dashboard. This dashboard will detail the timeline of each stage and provide a countdown to TGE. I assume the token generation event will happen probably in August, so you'll have another week to farm the 5x airdrop multiplier in stage 1, and then probably like another month before the token actually goes live. And BullX have really done a brilliant job when it comes to their marketing and incentivizing people to use the platform, incentivizing people to get other people to use the platform, because their reward system is just so good. And just the fact that they're giving away 80% of their revenue to the community in various methods means that they're not selfish. They could have easily taken this money themselves, but they decide to give it away to the community, which helps them build a more long-term community and a long-term product, which makes me even more bullish on this team. And they're constantly updating their platform, adding new features, which also makes me more bullish, because it also means that they're probably going to be around for a long time and try to step up their game every single week to maintain the position of the best trading bot on the market. Now, if you want a full tutorial of how to use their platform, all the different features, I did make a BullX tutorial. You can find that up here. So definitely go and watch that after this video if you haven't used BullX before. Now, these stats are also seriously impressive. This past month, they've been absolutely crushing it, growing exponentially. As you can see, their volume is really solid, and if you can stay this high, I think their token can do really well. Now, obviously, we haven't really seen a trading bot like this launch their own token before, and especially not with an airdrop like this. So it's very hard to kind of predict what the token market cap will be for a token like this, but I do have pretty high expectations. They have obviously done $400 million in volume this past month alone, which obviously is a lot, generating almost $4 million in revenue for themselves. So that alone should put the market cap pretty high for this token. And then I'm guessing anywhere between 30 and 100 million to start off with. And then the question is, how much will they actually allocate to their airdrop. Now, as I said, they've been very generous so far with rewarding the community and giving away a lot of money. So I really think they are trying to do the same with this airdrop by allocating a lot of the supply to this airdrop. I'm guessing they might allocate as much as 50% of the token supply to this airdrop, which obviously would mean that there's a lot of money up for grabs with this token airdrop. So I'm personally using BullX right now to trade meme coins and farm their airdrop, because I do think it will be worth it, especially now in stage 1 with the 5x airdrop multiplier. As I said, you can get that by signing up with the link down below. But that's basically all we know so far. We know when stage 1 will begin. We don't know when the token itself will actually go live. We don't know what stage 2 and stage 3 will look like. But I'm personally very bullish on BullX, so I wanted to make this quick video just going through everything we know so far and my personal thoughts about this airdrop. Let me know your personal predictions down below in the comment section. Are you personally using BullX? What has been your experience so far? How big do you think this airdrop will be? If you enjoyed the video, smash a like and subscribe to the channel. With that said, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.